Hi everyone, my name is Adiola Sanusi, the best real estate expert in Africa, bringing you the best deals in Lagos, Nigeria, and you are welcome to one of the most exclusive estates in Lekki Phase 1, known as U3 Estates. Now, in this particular video, we are going to be doing a comprehensive tour of this estate and one of the properties that are up for sale here in this estate. Ensure you sit back and relax so you can get to know what our personal rating is concerning this estate, and you can also get a tour of one of the exclusive properties we have here on listing in this particular estate. Thank you very much for joining us. Yeah, so U3 Estate is one of the most exclusive estates in Lekki Phase 1. This estate boasts of serenity, serene environment, and it's also very well planned. One thing you notice in this estate is, you have a lot of greenery, you have very good interlocked road network in this particular estate, and it is strictly residential. You understand? In this estate, we have residential properties ranging from flat or block of apartments where you can get like 2 bedroom, 3 bedrooms apartments. Then we also have terraces. We have terraces in courts, you understand? Then we also have duplexes and semi-detached. One thing I like about this particular estate is the fact that it is very exclusive. There is a very tight security system in place because the estate always requires code to access for any new person that is looking to, commute into the estate or visit the estate. So there's always requirement for code to access the estate. So the security is actually very tight. So in terms of security, in terms of exclusivity, in terms of serenity, the estate is actually top notch. And one of the things that we do when we want to rate estates is we have 5 major metrics we use to rate an estate, and we're going to be rating this estate based on that. So number one criteria or metric is serenity. In terms of serenity, this estate is actually very calm. Total definition of calmness. You can see that everywhere is well planned. You don't see any sort of, unwarranted movement in this particular estate. It's actually really calm. Then second thing is security. They actually implement a call to access security system. All the areas are well guided and they do not allow just anybody into the estate. Another thing is exclusivity. Exclusivity is actually top notch in this estate because it is majorly home to top people in society. You understand? So you don't just see anybody right here in this estate. Then the fourth one is accessibility. Now, gaining access to the main road, which is Lekki Expressway, usually takes you less than 3 minutes. So it is very accessible. Then the final one is facility. So in terms of facility here, one of the things I'll definitely want to talk about is, for example, the road network, which is actually very good. Then another thing I also want to talk about is if there are extra facilities in the estates, like maybe like a communal gym, a communal pool or whatnot. They don't really have that in this estate, you understand? It is strictly residential. And in terms of power, they enjoy minimum of 18 hours power in this estate, and that's why you see that each of the houses or apartments have their individual generators, but they are usually silent generator, you understand? So essentially these are like the major metrics we used in rating this estate a strong 8/10. And from here on, we're going to be showing you one of the properties available for sale in this estate. Trust me, it's a very lovely haven for families, for people that want to buy properties for investment and whatnot. It is very beautiful. So right now, I'm going to be showing you this lovely 4-bedroom terrace duplex in this same estate, where we have just 6 units in the old court, and it is currently selling for just 290 million naira. Join me on this tour. Let's go. Yeah, so we're currently at the 4-bedroom terrace duplex where we have just 6 units right here. And the way this particular court has been planned is, so right here you have the parking spaces. So each of the apartments will be allocated 2 parking spaces, you understand? Because we have 6 units here and you can park up to 12 cars right here. So then on this side you have the central generator, and you also have the gateman space right there. So it's a very nice block of terraces. I like the fact that they've been able to infuse greenery right here, and the pathway for each of them is actually very expansive. Like the space between them is actually very big enough. So right here we have the unit up for sale. We have just one unit up for sale here. So the first thing is you're welcome with this gigantic door. It's a wooden door. One of the things I advise is you can, input an automatic lock right here when you buy this property. So while you come into this space, it's actually very, very spacious. This is the living room. It's actually very spacious. Then you can have your dining somewhere around there. You understand? Then your kitchen is open plan, which you can decide to close if you want. You can decide to have like a POP or something to demarcate, and you have a door somewhere around there. So the kitchen is actually very spacious. You have your wash and basin here. You have your microwave and oven here as well. Oven and microwave right here, which is also very nice. Then you have a lot of cabinetries. I like the quality of wood they used. Very, very nice. And I like the color choice as well. Then you have your gas burner top, you have your heat extractor, and you also have lots more cabinetries right here. So you have your induction burner right here, and you can see you have a lot of cabinetries where you can store your edibles. So a lot of space. I can even see another one here, like a lot of space in this particular area. So, and this is more like an island top as well. So then right here you have your guest toilet. So you have your guest toilet around here. You can see, which is also very lovely. So let's go upstairs very quickly. Let's go see what is upstairs. So right here you have like a floating staircase. You understand? The floating staircase, and the glass is going to be done evenly, so it protects everyone that is passing through. Yeah, so on this first floor we have just two rooms right here. So this is the first room. Now, one thing I like about this property is the rooms are actually very sizable, spacious. You have a lot of space. Then the uniqueness in the design of the wardrobes is actually really commendable. I like it. It's different. The texture is also very nice. It shows that it was actually intentionally done. So you have another wardrobe area here as well. Then the toilet and bath. I specifically love shower heads that are this big and this high. You understand? Like you basically operate it from here, and it just feels like it's raining on you. It's really lovely. I love the type of materials that are used in putting this together. Kids' room, actually, and it's also very big, sizable. It's able to take like a 6 by 6 bed or something. Then you have your wardrobe right there. Then toilet and bath as well. Also has a very big shower head, which is lovely. So let's go upstairs. So you can also see your inbuilt speaker right here. And I like the minimalistic POP design that was done with the central lights. You have camera systems all around. All you need to do is just activate it, and you're good to go. So yeah, this is another room. This is the third room we're seeing. So it's actually very spacious. You have your bed comfortably. You can have like an office area around there. You have the wardrobe also separately done. Then you have this as well, your toilet and bath. So let's go to the fourth and the last, which is the master. So right here, you have the last room. So you can see it's actually very spacious as well. So the materials that have been used here are actually very top-notch materials. So this property is selling for just 290 million. It is available in an exclusive estate. U3 estate is a place you definitely want to, have a family and live and enjoy and everything. So if you're interested in this property, ensure you send me a message or dial my number, the number on the screen. If you're looking to get a very good deal on this property, good discount, we can actually get that for you. Ensure you reach out to me. I'll get you the best deal. Thank you very much for your time.